Hey, welcome to a new episode of Rad City Berlin. Thanks so much for checking out today's episode. Today we're going to have a special unboxing video here at the Super73 ZX Moonrock. So enjoy today's video here at Kraftwerk on Rad City Berlin. Before we start today's video, make sure to put this video on pause, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, support Rad City, help me put out more rad content. And without any further ado, let's go ahead and get to today's video here on Rad City Berlin. Thanks so much for checking out today's special video unboxing here another Super73 for Kraftwerk. So let's go and get this thing out of the box, show you guys what we have in today's video. Alright, nice. We have the Super73 Moonrock now out of the box. It's all wrapped up. OEM wrapping. Let's go ahead and take off all the cable ties and all the plastic and get it set up here for Kraftwerk. Alright, let's take off the clamp mount here. Boom, clamp. Top clamp mount, check. And a pair of scissors. Take off all the plastic and show you guys the bike. I've only seen the Moonrock and the Super73 day, but not actually brand new out of the box, so this will be cool to see. Go ahead and get the handlebar installed. Super simple install. Get this clamp so the Super73 is facing you, obviously. Let's start getting in the screws here. Diagonally, so it's even pressure. We can try now to align it so it's proper adjustment. There you go. Beautiful. So let's just give this thing a nice tight down. Handlebars now on here, secure. Let's go ahead and get now the grips and the handlebars all set up. On the pedals, charge the battery. So basically the Moonrock, just like with the Storm Gray, comes within the manual. Your front fender, pedals, level 2 we gotta put on the front light. Some of the more provisions that we don't need here, frame screws. We'll also get onto the bike, and it comes here with the reflectors. We'll keep this off right now, as well as the wrenches that we need for the pedals. But here at Kraftwerk, we have all the tools that we need. So we're going to put this box to the side, and let's go ahead and get these pedals on here. Same thing with the RX or the ZX. On the right side, righty-tighty. On the left side, lefty-tighty. So let's go ahead and start with the right side. I'm gonna start here with the right side here. Turn this thing to the right, super easy. Left to tighten the left side. Okay, boom. Pedals now on here, we're good to go. We have now the ZX out of the box, set up more or less. We have to do just a few of the things real quick before it's ready to ride. We have to install real quick the front fender and as well to the light here. So let's go and get those onto the bike. Alright, so front fender, super simple install, just 2 screws, boom, done. Front fender, check, super simple install here on the Moonrock. Beautiful. Okay, front fender, good to go. Let's go ahead and install now the light. The light, basically gotta take off 1 screw here. Headlight put on, super simple. Make sure this bar is going up. Okay, headlights now on, boom. So, Super 73 battery. Boom. Let's go ahead and finish up this video real quick. Taking a look real quick at the comparison between the Moonrock Super 73 ZX and the Storm Gray. Right, so really nice in terms of the Storm Gray, and switching over then to the Moonrock. Right, same bike, same components more or less. The tires of the Storm Gray here are these LZRD tires, whereas the Moonrock has the V tires. So there's a little differences between the two. I guess that was supply chain issues, that they wanted to release the Moonrock as soon as they could. So they sourced out different components like these tires for the Super 73 Moonrock. So otherwise everything else is the same on the bike. Same component, same seat, same battery, everything else is the same. Yeah, cool. So now we have both bikes outside. We can take a look real quick and see what the differences are between the two. So you notice here, like the front tire, you notice the tires are completely different than the LRZ, the LZRD tires. So these just have the regular here V rubber Trooper tires, 20 by 4 inch in the front. And here in the back as well too, 20 by 4 inch tires in the rear. Whereas here, we're looking at the 20 by 4.5 inch wide tires on the Moonrock. On the Storm Gray, you have the 4.5, and here on the Moonrock, you have the 4 inch Z tires. Yeah, otherwise, there's no other noticeable differences between the Moonrock and the Storm Gray, honestly, except for the tires, right? So all in all, it's a good setup. The color of the frame is beautiful, really nice frame, color job. I like that. Has the exact same Shimano Z shifter. It has the same derailleur. I've seen in Facebook people were getting different derailleurs, but this has the Shimano Z derailleur. So that's pretty cool. The only difference with this bike, of course, is the tires, really. So I guess because of supply chain issues, they put on different tires. But otherwise, this thing is good to go. Has the same crank arm, same chain ring, same 10-speed, nice red inlays inside the tires. Strong 640 watt battery, I believe. I'll write that out on the screen. But really good battery. Has the fenders. Looks good. Yeah, thank you so much for checking out today's video here in Rad City, Berlin. Had a good time getting the Moonrock Super 73 ZX unboxed, ready for craft work. We're going to jump back and do some more ZX mods in Rad City. So if you guys want to come by and check out a Super 73 here at Craftwork, happy to do a demo, test ride with you guys here in Rad City, if you guys don't mind being filmed. So, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did enjoy today's video, hit that subscribe button, be extra rad, super cool. So, hope you guys appreciate today's video. This is Rad City, I'm out.